Alright, so here's my new latex mattress topper. And there's a sign on the top of the box that says product must be opened within 7 days of delivery. And we'll just see what we get when we open it, because I'm certain this is going to have to expand. Man, take out these staples. I've had these scratch the crap out of me before. All right. So a lot of these are so compressed when you get them, you have to wait several days for them to poof up and reinflate. But this came right out. And it's already inflated fully. There's absolutely no smell, and as you can see, it's got all these little holes through it, which will give it enough ventilation and still be firm. $1,000 for a new mattress, because mattresses are expensive. But you get what you pay for, so you don't want to skimp. And this mattress is about 7 years old. And this is actually the bottom of it. It's one of those that they say is non-reversible, because there's only a pillow top on one side. So you can see the pillow top on the top here, but you can also see that it's getting pretty collapsed in there. So this is the other side of it. And it's pretty good. All right. So what we're taking out is a regular cheapo memory foam mattress topper, which I think probably came from Walmart, and we use it in the camper. Lasted a good long time. But it's just a little soft. All right. So, it's really nice. This is heavy. This is like a three pound. And that's how you rate these toppers in pounds. The next one up is the 4 pound, and that's about as big as they get. Now this is huge. That other one from Walmart was way smaller than my mattress. But this one is plenty wide enough to go the whole distance. Look at that. Right out of the box, it's fully inflated. And it's one of their firm ones. I'll let you know how it sleeps tomorrow. All right, so I bought this extra firm latex mattress pad from the Latex Mattress Factory. And it turns out that this thing is super firm. And when I laid on it, it was way too firm. So what I finally did was flip my old mattress over. It's supposed to be one-sided, but who gives a crap if you do this? And then I put my old mattress pad on top of that, and voila, it works. Now it's soft and flat and very comfortable.